I tracked every dollar for 90 days. Here's what I found. After logging 847 transactions, I discovered 3 spending leaks draining $400 a month. I never knew existed. But here's the part that actually made me sick to my stomach. One of those leaks? I was paying for it twice, every single month, for 11 months straight. That's $231 I literally set on fire because I never bothered to look. And the wildest part? I thought I was good with money. I have a budget spreadsheet. I check my bank app. I meal prep on Sundays like some kind of financial wellness influencer. None of it mattered because I was tracking the wrong things. So 3 months ago, I decided to do something borderline obsessive. Every single purchase, every coffee, every parking meter, every weird $2.99 charge I didn't recognize. I logged it all in a spreadsheet with the date, the amount, the category, and most importantly, how I felt when I bought it. That last column, that's where everything fell apart. Or I guess, came together. By day 90, I had exposed the 3 invisible holes in my budget that were costing me $4,800 a year. I'm going to show you exactly what they were, the specific dollar amounts, and the psychology behind why I never noticed them. But I also discovered something about the way my brain processes small purchases that completely changed how I think about money. And honestly, it might make you uncomfortable. It definitely made me uncomfortable. Let's start with leak number 1. And this one's embarrassing because I literally made fun of people who did this. I call it the convenience tax. And no, I'm not talking about DoorDash fees, though we'll get there. Day 14 of tracking, I'm scrolling through my spreadsheet and I notice something weird. I bought toothpaste 3 times in 2 weeks. 3 times. From 3 different places. CVS for $6.49, Target for $5.29, and a random bodega near my office for $8.99 because I convinced myself I was out. I wasn't out. I had 2 unopened tubes at home. I just forgot. This kept happening. Chapstick, phone chargers. I bought 4 iPhone chargers in 90 days. 4. Deodorant twice in 1 week because I panicked at the gym. When I tallied it up, these panic purchases, these, oh no, I need this right now, buys added up to $127 in a single month. But here's what made it invisible. Each purchase felt logical in the moment. Of course I need toothpaste. Of course I need a charger. My brain filed it under necessary and moved on. The solution was so stupid, I almost didn't try it. I took a photo of my bathroom cabinet, my desk drawer, my backpack. Now, when I feel that panic of, I need this right now, I check the photos first. Saved me $89 last month alone. But the convenience tax was only leak number 1. Leak number 2 was worse because it was actively lying to me. And I have the receipts to prove it. I called this one the subscription creep. And before you roll your eyes like, yeah, I know about unused subscriptions, hear me out. This isn't about forgetting you have Netflix. Day 31, I'm categorizing everything, and I notice a charge for $14.99 from something called CSG Systems. No idea what that is. I Google it. Turns out, it's the billing company for my Hulu subscription. Cool. Except I also had a charge from Hulu directly for $17.99. I was paying for Hulu twice. Different billing systems. One through my phone carrier from some bundle I signed up for in 2022. One directly through Hulu when I wanted to upgrade to no ads and apparently created a whole new account. 11 months. $165 gone. But that opened up a whole investigation. I found a $9.99 charge for a meditation app I used once. A $4.99 cloud storage upgrade I don't remember authorizing. A $29 monthly charge for a premium job board I signed up for, during a panic spiral 8 months ago and never canceled. Total subscription damage? $147 a month. I thought it was around $60. I was paying $147 for services I could name maybe 4 of. Here's the thing nobody tells you. These companies know exactly what they're doing. They make cancellation hard on purpose. They bury the unsubscribe button. They send renewal emails at 3 a.m. This isn't accidental. You are being engineered to forget. So leak 1 was $127. Leak 2 was $147. That's $274 a month already, and I haven't even gotten to the big one yet. The one that made me rethink my entire relationship with money. Leak number 3. I call it the mood spending trap. And this is where tracking how I felt with each purchase completely broke my brain. Day 47, I'm reviewing my data and I add a filter. Show me every purchase made after 9 p.m. $412 in a single month. Then I added another filter. Show me purchases made within 2 hours of opening Instagram. 287. You see where this is going? I started cross-referencing my spending with my mood. Bad day at work? Average spending jumped 340%. Fight with a friend? Suddenly I need new headphones. Couldn't sleep? Let me just browse Amazon for things that will fix my life. The specific products didn't matter. 1 week it was skincare. The next it was kitchen gadgets I'd use once. It was all the same thing. I was trying to purchase a feeling. And it worked. For about 20 minutes. Then I felt worse. I was out $47. Here's the purchase that finally woke me up. 11:43 p.m. on a Tuesday. I'd just bombed a presentation at work. Within an hour, I bought an $89 online course about public speaking. Makes sense, right? Productive purchase. Except I already owned 2 public speaking courses I'd never finished. I wasn't buying education. I was buying relief. After identifying this pattern, I tried something. Every time I felt the urge to buy something after 9 p.m., I'd add it to a list instead. Just write it down. Wait 48 hours. 73% of the items. Never bought them. The urge completely disappeared. For the things I did still want to buy, I started being more intentional about where my money went. Like when I decided I wanted to learn video editing, instead of buying another course I'd abandon, I found tools that actually let me practice. I've been using 11 Labs to add voiceovers to projects, and because it's something I actually use, I didn't feel that buyer's remorse spiral. The difference between a good purchase and mood spending isn't the price. It's whether future you will thank present you. Now here's what tracking actually fixed. And I want to give you the rapid-fire version because these are things you can implement today. First, the 72-hour rule for anything over $30. Not new. But I actually started following it because I had proof of how often I regretted impulse buys. My data showed that 81% of purchases over $30 that I made same day, I later wished I hadn't. 81%. Second, I automated the first hour after payday. The money moves before I see it. $400 to savings. $150 to investments. What's left is what I actually have. This isn't revolutionary advice, but tracking made me realize I was consistently spending more in the week after payday. I was treating my bank account like a high score. Third, and this one's uncomfortable, I started telling people when I couldn't afford things. That restaurant's out of my budget this month. I'm sitting this trip out. The fear of saying this was so much worse than actually saying it.